If you need to acquire a message through your desires, the best way to head about it is to invite or set your purpose before then you sleep. Whilst this will not work whenever or right away, the more you practice, the more you may open yourself to receiving divine guidance. Remember, you dream every night, so even in case you don't recall anything, be open to the reality that you may have received divine knowledge or peace during your sleep. Choose this based on the feeling you get while you first awaken. Due to its high active vibration, it can help activate better dimensions within the spirit world and may let you higher recognize and understand your goals. It is able to also help you to get hold of intuitive messages and connect with your spirit courses and angels. That is a very soothing and comforting crystal, which is likewise super for people that suffer from sleep paralysis and nightmares. There are many dream dictionaries out there with definitions of what each symbol, animal, or object may mean. However, regularly symbols are unique to the character. If butterflies have constantly reminded you of your grandma, then perhaps seeing a butterfly for your dreams is a message from her. To liberate your desires, you really want to pay attention to any symbols or metaphors that come up and try to relate them in your everyday or beyond reviews. If that means that the back of the symbol doesn't come clean straight away, don't worry. The more you stay open and aware to the symbols, the more they'll start to make experience to you. Writing them down will also assist you carry more clarity to what they'll mean. Our goals screen the internal world of our unconscious mind and can frequently keep clues or even prophecies that can influence our lives or every day. Through dreams, our instinct and spirit publications are more likely to speak to us because our ego or rational thoughts is regularly switched off and not able to affect the transmission of the message. If you need to learn how to get hold of messages or psychic guidance to your desires right here is what you want to realize.